Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be looking at I don't know if it's a GT or not. So you can go hold on guys, I gotta get help. Let me get y'all something to drink. Y'all want water or something?
Yeah.
Okay, I can get y'all.
I was gonna go back there to the. Do you guys have food carts?
No, I'm sorry. We shouldn't have done that. We were dumb enough. But how was that burnout?
It was pretty good.
Have you ever seen it?
Burn it and
He just burned him. So this sweet sucker.
I think
Here, Mad Maxine with the gold wheels on. Let's go up here and get a shortcut. Okay, guys, we are trying to get a car to do a burnout right now, and he's about to leave. Two actually. So just watch this real quick, and they might do a burnout. We don't know. I will. Spin the wheel! Woo! You see that fresh black? That was sweet, man. Woo! Did you see that burnout?
Dude, as soon as he started pulling out, we knew something was going down.
I said spin the wheel, and he actually done it. So like,
I just saw you come running around that corner lot. I was like, oh, wait,
Oh.
here we go.
oh buddy, you go. Okay guys, another car is leaving. Okay, here comes a truck. He might spin the wheel. We gotta ask him, so I gotta ask him.
Okay.
Can this thing do a burnout?
Oh yeah.
Can you do one? So I can get it. So I can get it on YouTube. Not good, boy. He's gonna do a burnout.
Hey, he's doing a burnout. We're about to get ready for
I asked him. He said yeah. We're going up, guys. So here we go. I don't know if he's gonna do one. He said he was, so. He's just sitting there. Here comes another Mustang. I bet he's gonna do one. But that was just nice. Hey, can this thing do a burnout? Can it do a burnout? Can you do one for YouTube? I think it's gonna do what I know. There that goes. Here's Tim's car with the black 5.0. Look at these sweet wheels. And the G. Oh! There that thing goes. It's probably having. He has a lot of fun that. He said, I have a lot of fun this. There goes another Mustang. Oh man. Yeah, look at you know what that means? Guys, I would dare my grandpa to do burnout in his old thing. Just put a V12 in it.
Dude, that's a Lamborghini motor. You're not gonna get that thing cheap.
I know. We can
I
make
really want to see this lightning
Technically, you
truck, though.
could build one.
Yeah.
I want to see this red lightning truck though.
Just that.
Guys. Oh, and there's a Jaguar right behind it. You should do something too.
Why would a Jaguar do burnout? They're too lame.
They do.
Jaguars can get.
They can beat.
Hey, come on!
He drifted. Look at this Jaguar. This Jaguar ain't gonna do nothing.
Yeah.
Watch this Jaguar.
Yeah, turbine.
Do you hear that?
Did you see it? That Mustang was super powerful.
That thing was powerful. Spin the wheel for me. Now that's how you spin wheels. God. Here they go. Wow, that is loud. Woo, Lordy. That's all the fun. I used to say, Dad, can we do burnout? All the time we go out on the road, I say, put it in first gear, then turn the nitrous on. What was that? Zzz.
Supercharger.
Oh my. How fast does that guy go?
It's fast.
Yeah, that thing wild. Chicken.